If you need to mic someone up using the included mic with the Sennheiser G4, AVX or XSWD wireless system and need to conceal the mic, we created a little guide that might help you with a shirt and tie. Here we used the Lav Concealer for the ME2 also available for the ME2 microphone. It's a perfect fit for the microphone and made of organic rubber to absorb all the shock. Fit the lav mic into the Lav Concealer. Make sure it's all the way in, with the base of the Lav Concealer resuming its flat form. Fit the included clothing clip and fabric guard into the holes at the back and front of the concealer respectively. Then clip the Lav Concealer with the microphone onto the inner button seam of the shirt, between the second and third buttons. This position is optimal to pick up the voice well. Positioning the Lav Concealer just above the button for support will result in a quieter and more stable mount. Refasten the button and push the mic concealer back a little, flush with the button seams so it's not visible from the outside. Readjust the tie. This will also prevent lines of sight to the microphone and concealer. Now to deal with any friction noise from the tie against the shirt. We use fur for this. Our invisible lav covers Fur Outdoor. Fit a piece of fur behind the tie so that the fibers absorb and disperse the friction. Any help to bring down friction noise will increase the dynamic range and intelligibility of your recordings. And that's it, all done. You can get the Lav Concealer from any Bubblebee dealer. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for tips, tutorials and information on our range of tools for location sound.